eats up my time. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.
The yellow monster truck?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna fit, sweetie. That's pretty neat. Hey guys, and welcome back. Happy late Mother's Day. Today is actually Mother's Day when I'm filming this. I hope you guys all had a wonderful, maybe relaxing day. I don't know, maybe hopefully you feel special and loved and appreciated. So I just wanted to say that. Pretty low-key though today for us. My birthday was the other day and another low-key day, but I was able to see my family the day before. So anyway, I feel like I haven't talked to you in a whole hot minute because I haven't vlogged. But yeah, I made some pancakes. We had a yummy breakfast, and Sydney and I have just been chilling. I just threw some makeup on. I don't think I'm gonna do anything with my hair today, but then we're gonna go outside. I have to plant my peas. They have been overdue for planting. This is the situation with our seedlings right now. We have tomatoes here, basil, and then these are the sugar snap peas that are overdue. We got parsley here. And then we have strawberries here. I just move them constantly to get the sun. So we have our strawberries there. It will probably be, I don't know, a few more weeks before I can bring these things outside. It's usually like, it's usually like Memorial Day when people start bringing their things outside because it's still cold in Maine. Anyway, so I am going to transplant though the sugar snap peas because they are just obviously overgrown. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna go play, get some energy out. And then I also made an appointment for Sydney and I to get pedicures later. I haven't had a pedicure in years, many years, since before I was pregnant, I think. Or did I have one? I don't know, it's been years. Either way, so we're gonna get mother-daughter pedicures for Mother's Day. I was starting to feel a little bad because, you know, kind of being alone on my birthday and then alone on Mother's Day.
But you're not alone.
I'm
You're
not
with friends.
I'm not alone, I have you, you're right. No, I mean, it wasn't bad. You know, I was able to have like margaritas with my friend the night of my birthday, and I saw my mom before, so we did like Mother's Day birthdays together then. Anyway, so I was starting to feel bad, and then I was like, you know what would I want to do if I did have a significant other? I would love to have a pedicure or like something like that. So why not just make myself an appointment and we'll do mother-daughter pedicures. It should be interesting though, because Sydney has the world's most ticklish feet, so we'll see if they can even do anything with her. I have a kitchen full of dishes right now, but I'm gonna go outside while we can and do the planting thing. So. I gotta break up the soil because it was all clumpy. I often get asked what I use specifically. I'm pretty sure this is what I used last year. I don't know. I try to do like organic soil. And then to start these, I showed you in a video, I used seed potting mix. Like whatever, sowing mix. And then just stuck them in here and watered them, gave them a lot of sun. I covered them with saran wrap and they all sprouted. I actually had to thin them out because like every seed's sprouted. All right, we'll see how this works here. You're coming?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see. Okay, wait. Yeah, we gotta dig a little hole. I can
dig a little hole.
Okay. You gonna help? don't get your sweater dirty.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
I'm wondering if I should have planted this closer to the side, but I know that when this grows you can kind of guide it up the trellis here. Wonder if I should have planted it. Oh well, it's fine. Right, Sydney wanted to have her chance at gardening. So we have these seeds that I never sowed. I don't know. If they work, they work. If they don't, that's fine. But this is just something that she can do all on her own. She's got her little garden gloves and everything.
I keep this doing my hands because I have gloves.
Yeah. And then I just brought the strawberries and all the other seedlings out to kind of temper them. That's probably not even the right term. Get them used to coming outside temperatures. You're doing amazing, sweetie.
Mama,
What?
I get to talk to you.
I'm listening.
This is good.
Yeah, you keep doing it. Keep doing the gloves. Just put a little water in there. Not too much.
I can just count.
Okay.
1,
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
4, 5,
All done.
6,
All done.
7,
All done.
8, 9.
If you overwater, what happens?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, well, the seeds will get moldy. They won't sprout.
Are these going to sprout?
I don't know. We'll see.
Can I do them? How do we plant them? How do we plant them carrots?
We're trying anyway.
These sticks.
Okay, get in the seat.
Hey, I'm getting my water.
Okay. Don't give me attitude.
I didn't got you attitude. See, didn't I didn't got you attitude. Not, yeah, get it. I'm been Well, this is gonna be ticklish. The picture is gonna be ticklish.
It might be ticklish, but it'll be okay.
How many feet do I have for the pedicure?
Are you excited?
Yeah. I just don't need that water.
So we are officially on our way to go get pedicures. We'll see how this goes. By the way,
Yeah.
also yesterday I went and test drove my first car that I've test driven. Anyway, just getting the ball rolling as far as that goes. I'm gonna go like look at things in person, test drive things, and look at reviews and all that. But I ended up test driving a Honda CR-V 2021, like brand new one, and it drives really nice. It has wonderful fuel gas mileage, way better than even my car that I have right now. And all the reviews were wonderful. But so I really liked that one, but I'm gonna continue. This is gonna shake, so hang on. I'm gonna continue the search. I'm gonna look into the RAV4s, and I really like the look of the Passport, but I don't know, it has like a timing belt instead of a timing chain, and then fuel is a little less, but they look really nice. I also wanted to try the Volkswagen Volkswagen one. But yeah, I don't know, Honda just appeals to me because it seems to be like very low maintenance and then good gas mileage, and that's really what I'm looking for. I gotta let you go because apparently my, I don't know, my like stand is creaking. Do you like your toenail polish?
Yeah, I like the water.
You like the toenail polish in the water?
Yeah.
So fun.
What, Mama?
What?
What are your favorite part?
Oh, my favorite part is when they do the massage on your legs.
What else?
When they do the massage on the legs, it feels so good. Doesn't it?
Yeah. And my favorite part is the water and the toenail polish.
Yeah, Sydney got like this beautiful aqua blue with blue sparkles, and then they even painted a little flower on the big toes. That was fun. Sydney did really well. The only part that was hard was the waiting. We did have an appointment, but they were busy. So we had to wait like a half hour before they started on us, and that was the hardest part, was waiting. But otherwise, she did great anyway, but that was just you know, had to wait. Like I said, it has been years since I've had a pedicure, and it was so nice. They turned the massage part on my chair, and usually I don't care for those, but woo, it felt good. And good when they did the massaging lotion, and Lord knows my feet needed it. So that was a nice little Mother's Day outing. Those look amazing. Oh, see the other toe? Oh, gorgeous. They look so good. I love your color choice. Mommy just got white. That is all I went for today.